Okay, we're out. Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a live video, but here we are. I'm out and about. We're in St Albans, just making our way towards Berkhampstead. And it's lovely to be back out on the bike, actually. It's strange remembering to balance. I've been in my car for the last sort of 4 weeks. So this is the long way round essential journey. I don't have any trouble with people saying, "Oh, you shouldn't be out here." But I read this article and it was saying, you can go out for biking as long as you don't meet your friends and make a massive trouble for everyone. It's been so long since I've been out, even my sat-nav's got dust on it. I might be able to show you, I'll probably show you later. It's probably already blown off, to be honest. Yeah, it's a nice town this. Actually, houses here are more expensive than they are in London because you get this lovely sort of sense that you're not in London, yet 20 minutes and you're at St Pancras. So it's a nice place. Right, what's happened there is I thought that was my friend, but it's not. So I've just honked, waved, and ran a stranger. And he lives very close to here. So I generally thought that was him. So what have I done to the bike? Well, I've got a new chain, and a new sprocket, and new front brakes, and new tyres, and new levers, new bar end. But yeah, some old diddy knocked into me. She wasn't even old actually, she was quite thick. She knocked into me in a wee yellow Nissan Micra. When I mean wee, I mean the colour, not the Scottish term for small. So yeah, she knocked into me, so I've got a scratched exhaust, and I did, up until recently, have a damaged bar end and damaged lever, but now I've got new levers. I'll show you around them later. They're actually Chinese, so there you go. I try not to buy anything made in China, but seemingly I brought something made in China. But they were stocked in the UK, so I got them quite quickly. And honestly, if they had a CNC logo on them or a Bike Tech logo, I don't think I could tell them apart, to be honest. I had one choice in my bike, which was black with red. So conveniently, my bike is black with red, so I kind of just went with that. So here we are, we're in a place called Bourne End, which is at the side of Hemel. And I've got lots of new trinkets for the bike really, and for my new drone as well. So what it is general upkeep, but at the same time it's preparation for the next thing. I didn't put sport tyres on it, thanks to everyone for recommending tyres to me. I found dual sport tyres, so they're quite soft dual sport, but where I plan on going is mainly gravel and sand. I guess you could say it is a bit desolate, it's a bit deserted, so hopefully these tyres will be able to do the trick, and Helmet Head's going to give me a off-roading lesson at some point, so I'm quite looking forward to that. There we go, this is a bit more thrill-like, and now we can do 60, so I'm just going to wait for the road to clear, and I think we'll get on with it a bit more, shouldn't we? Okay, so this is the town of Berkhampstead. It's quite sweet, isn't it? So yeah, that's what I'm doing really, just kind of getting ready for journey, remembering to put my feet down when I stop, and have a look at my camera. There we go. Wow, I've been got moisture inside my camera. Hopefully this hasn't been a massive waste of time. We'll soon find out, I guess. Okay, I've got a bit too far into the town now, so I'm just they've got a plant in the back. Who's talking? Oh, brilliant! I've decided to turn around when possible on a hill. Shall I do it? Shall I go for it? No, let's try and find somewhere flat. I'm gonna go around here. It's not exactly flat, but at least it'll do. There's probably no turning, but it doesn't say that about this bit. Okay, we'll be really naughty, but I don't have the strength to get it all the way up, so just bump over the path. Bump off the path. There you go. They'll love that. Do that on your test and you'll pass, honestly. I guarantee you, if you turn around and use the path as a bit of a cheat, you'll pass. 100%. 100% pass rate there, I reckon. Oh, I'll let you. I would have let him. And this lorry is thinking about turning, but not indicated, so I'll leave him there. Here we go, still in Berkhampstead. We'll get out of it eventually. We're on King's Road at the moment, I think. Probably not. Oh, it's a nice place, isn't it? Okay, that's probably the worst example of a nice place. Oh, it's a nice place, isn't it? Look at this old patootie. Yeah, very nice place. We'll have to come back there and visit there. So we're not that far away, actually, from where I want to go. And where I go, just kind of, yeah, seconds away to the train station and back. So when we get to the train station, he's probably going to think I want to continue driving around. So you might just have to put up with it going, turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right. So we'll get there eventually. Okay, doesn't say you can't turn left, so we'll be going for that. This is King's Road. Not that I know anything about it, but there we go. My fuelling is a bit odd today. I don't know if you noticed it sort of chugging itself forward there. Ah, it's got a Waitrose, must be posh. I mainly shop at Sainsbury's. I'm a Sainsbury's man myself. Yeah, Sainsbury's man myself through and through, really. Oh, look at that old canal. Little BMW following distance. Drive stuff behind me.
After 600 feet, turn left, White Hill, then bear right, Ring Road.
Go round here, and down here, and Castle! Oh, it's busy today. I wasn't not expecting anyone to be here. It's English Heritage, not National Trust, so that's something. It's my airbag vest, if you're wondering what buzz is. That shows the last time I rode this bike. You might have noticed I just stumbled off it. That's because I used to have the big bag here. I used to use the bag as that. So good, smooth. That would have been funny.
So there we are, that's about everything for this video. I didn't find somewhere to fly the drone, but in the next video I found 2 places so I can double up. So, coming up soon, I try and catch the drone by hand and nearly chop off my finger. And there's a lovely looking freeze frame to prove it. And I continue practicing with active shots and quick shots. So, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode.